We have a 2012 Chevrolet Sonic LT. One owner Carfax, no accidents, super clean. Aluminum wheels, real pretty bright red. Body's in great shape. Like I said, one owner Carfax, still has factory warranty left on it right from Chevrolet. It's really nice shape. Great gas mileage, well into the 30s. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, two-tone black and gray interior. Very clean. You got automatic headlights, cruise control, driver stereo controls, CD player with auxiliary input, heat and air conditioning, automatic transmission. You got stability control, remote start on the key here. It's pretty slick. OnStar. Very well equipped. Back seat, side impact airbags, side curtain airbags, very safe car. A ton of room in the trunk. Those back seats do fold down flat, giving you access to the cabin. You can haul something along, you can. You can see pictures and pricing information on hometownwausau.com. Easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call, 715-298-2001. This vehicle can be seen at our Grand Avenue location. Open till 6 all week, till 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.